In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in package option from Binance. Now, this is a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to open up your package options, then click on deposit that's located here, as you can see. Now, after you do that, you can see here the deposit options you can choose from. Just go ahead and choose Binance Pay from here. After you do that, just click on it. And here you can see that you have Binance Pay in the video guide to show you as well. You can choose the amount you want. After you're done choosing, just click on continue and pay. Then just give it some time to load. It will redirect you to Binance QR code that you will screen it, or you can access the app. As you can see here, you can scan the QR code with your mobile phone that has Binance installed on it, or you can click on Open Binance app. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.